In 1888, there was a newspaper article. It was an obituary column, and there was a mention of the death of a gentleman, and it said, "The merchant of death is dead." Actually, what had happened was Alfred Nobel, who was the creator of the dynamite, his brother Ludwig had died in Cannes in France. But by mistake, instead of Ludwig's name, Alfred's name came in that newspaper because they thought that he is dead. When Alfred Nobel saw this newspaper article that I am being referred to as the merchant of death, and after my death, that is how I will be known, with all the money and the fortune I have earned by inventing the dynamite and giving this dynamite to this whole planet, by which so much of developmental work has actually manifested. But with all the contribution I have made, I will be known as a merchant of death. It created a huge impact within his heart. And it is said that this could be one of the main reasons why he instituted the Nobel Prize. And he put in a substantial amount of money as a corpus for being utilized for the Nobel Prize. And actually, this is a very important point for us, because how do we expect people to remember us after we depart is a very important question for introspection. So therefore Bhagavad Gita says, Aham adya maya labdham imam prapse manoratham imam astidam bhavishyati punardhanam adhyo bi janavanasti honyosti sadrisho maya ishwaroham aham bhogi siddhoham balavan sukhi. The demoniac mentality means to always enjoy and control and establish proprietorship. With this kind of an enjoyment and proprietorship mentality, we will simply exploit others and nobody will remember us in due course of time. Therefore, the world never remembers us for what we take. The world only remembers us for what we give. And therefore, dear friends, it is time for us to introspect and want to give more than what we get.